Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Did you write and study your previous works? In the last class, I given some homework for you. First one. Who were the people from foreign countries who came to India for trade? They were Portuguese, British, Dutch and French. Second one, in which year Vasco da Gama was landed at Kappad near Kozhikode? In 1498, Vasco da Gama landed at Kappad near Kozhikode. Then third one, what is British East India Company? Some merchants of England formed a company called the British East India Company. The next one, what is Battle of Plassey? What is Battle of Plassey? The British East India Company fought a battle with the Nawab at Plassey in 1757. Siraj-ud-Dowla was defeated and Bengal was brought under the control of the British East India Company. The next one, who was the Nawab of Bengal during Battle of Plassey? Siraj-ud-Dowla. The next one, why is the Battle of Plassey important? The Battle of Plassey laid the foundation of British Empire in India. Children, you must study the answers of these questions. Students, now we are going to tell about rule of the British East India Company. Rule of the British East India Company. There was no unity in India during the advent of foreigners. There was no unity in India during the advent of foreigners. The office of the British East India Company used different methods to expand its rule in India. They collected huge wealth from India. They collected big wealth from India. They introduced several reforms in India. Means British East India Company introduced more reforms in India. Reforms means പരിഷ്കരണങ്ങൾ. It helped them to conquer Indian territories. The British ruled India for their own interest. The Indian farmers, weavers, traders, students, merchants, soldiers, etc. were not satisfied with the rule of the company. Means the people of India were not satisfied with the rule of the company. For example, Indian farmers, weavers, traders, students, merchants, soldiers, etc. As a result, there were some isolated revolts against the rule of East India Company. Means so the people of India conducted some revolts against the rule of British East India Company. Students, next I say about the Great Revolt of 1857. The Great Revolt of 1857 means 1857 മഹത്തായ വിപ്ലവം. Have you heard about the first war of Indian independence? Have you heard about Lakshmi Bai, the brave Rani of Jhansi? By the year 1856, the British supremacy had spread all over India. Means by the year 1856, the British supremacy means ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാരുടെ മേധാവിത്യം ഇന്ത്യയിലൊട്ടാകെ വ്യാപിച്ചു. The British rule had affected all the people badly. Means the people of India were not satisfied with the rule of British. The Indians turned against British rule. That time the Indians turned against British rule in several parts of the country. In more parts of the country, the anger broke out in the form of revolt. The anger broke out in the form of revolt. In 1857, there was an organized revolt against the British. It is called the Great Revolt of 1857. In 1857, there was an organized revolt against the British means ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർക്കെതിരായിട്ട് ഒരു വിപ്ലവം സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചു. In which year? In 1857. It is called the Great Revolt of 1857. What is called the Great Revolt of 1857? In 1857, there was an organized revolt against the British. It is called the Great Revolt of 1857. It spread to various parts of India. Means the Great Revolt spread to different parts of India. Most of people of our country took part in it. So, revolt is considered as the first war of India's independence. There are one question, which is considered as the first war of Indian independence, or which is the first war of Indian independence? Yes, the Great Revolt of 1857 is considered as the first war of Indian independence. But the revolt was a failure. Students, do you know the leaders of the revolt? Yes, Rani Lakshmibai, Bahadur Shah, Nana Sahib, Tandiya Topi, Kanwar Singh, etc. were the important leaders of the revolt. Once again I say, Rani Lakshmibai, Bahadur Shah, Nana Sahib, Tandiya Topi, Kanwar Singh were the important leaders of the revolt. Rani Lakshmibai was the ruler of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai was the ruler of Jhansi. She was brave and patriotic. Means Deshasnehi. She fought for the nation till her last breath. She fought for the nation till her last breath means Rani Lakshmibai നമ്മുടെ രാഷ്ട്രത്തിന് വേണ്ടി അവസാന ശ്വാസം വരെ പൊരുതിയൊരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. She fought for the nation till her last breath. Children, now I give you some homework. Write in your EVS notebook and study these answers. First one, what is called the Great Revolt of 1857? What is called the Great Revolt of 1857? Second one, which is considered as the first war of Indian independence? Third one, who were the important leaders of the revolt? Who were the important leaders of the Great Revolt? Fourth one, who fought for the nation till her last breath? Who fought for the nation till her last breath? Students, please read textbook carefully. And study these answers also. Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. We will be back with next EVS class. Thank you.